Before we can generate tests with our different coding assistants, we need to make sure that we install Node, because all of the tests that we are going to generate in this section will be based on TypeScript code. Now, you'll see that you have different installation options. For example, I'm on Linux, so I'll be using nvm. This is the Node version manager with npm, and I'm going to install it with the following commands. If you are using Mac OS, you can similarly use nvm or brew. For Windows, you can use chocolatey with npm, and this also provides you with a way to install it via PowerShell. Or you can simply go to Windows here and download the .msi installer. I'm going to go ahead and open up my terminal to install it. What I like about Linux is you can say always on top, and then let me copy all of those commands. And then I'm going to run it there. And you'll see it also executed the node-v to print out the Node version and the npm version. And we'll basically just use npm to run our tests with npm test.